A delightful afternoon to everyone attending this event today, to our Superintendent, Reverend Father Richard Rodriguez, our Deanery Director, Reverend Father John J. Francis Pineda, our School Principal, Mrs. Crisanta Similia, to our dearest Marian educators and staff, fellow students, and of course, Marian leaders. I, Ethan Romeo Kabatay, as your Junior High School Central Student Council President of school year 2025 to 2026, I'm honored to be here giving this speech today. As a Student Council Officer for 2 consecutive years, from Junior High School Education Committee Chairperson to current Junior High School President, it has been a roller coaster ride, balancing my academics, extracurriculars, and the responsibilities of being a Marian leader. Naalala ko pa last year na nahihiya pa ako pumasok sa office namin CSC. Habang ang ibang mga officers ay nag-uusap, ako ay nasa gilid lamang nanonood sa kanila. Pero dahil sa kanila, natuto ako lumabas sa aking comfort zone. Maging outspoken, social, sa mga nakakilala sa akin noong grade 7 to grade 8. You will see how much I have changed since then. Because of this, my path of being a leader has changed how I act, speak, and interact with others. Being a Marian leader in this organization has helped me discover what the true essence of being a leader is. Collaborating as a team, helping those in need, and leading and inspiring more of our community to do the same. It shapes you to become a symbol for others, a pillar to rely on, a voice for those who shy to speak up. It shapes you to become a symbol for others. To be flexible for any situation that comes our way. We have to learn how to handle responsibilities on our own. Even though we're not alone, there won't be always others ready to help. But of course, it isn't good to carry all the responsibilities by yourself. If you can't manage the workload, do not be ashamed to ask for help. That is why you officers are positioned as a team. Ang pagiging isang leader ay hindi madali. Minsan, may mga panahon na parang hindi mo na kaya. Na parang gusto mo na lang sumuko. Bilang mga servant leaders, ang Diyos lamang ang may alam kung anong pinagdadaanan natin. Pero matuto rin tayo makinig sa mga nakakirapan. It's better to go through problems with a friend. Galatians chapter 6 verse 9. And let us not be weary of doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. This verse means to keep doing good for others, for the environment, and for ourselves. Because in the end, all that we have contributed, all of the effort that we have put into our work will produce a bountiful harvest. And that bountiful harvest for us leaders are the smiles we can see when helping others, and the leaders we inspire for the future. Again, I am Ethan Romeo Kabatay, your Junior High School Central Student Council President. Congratulations, my leaders. Thank you, and never forget to serve, lead, and